Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get PayPal credit or Debit Mastercard. So first go ahead to your Google Chrome and search for paypal.com. Now once you log into your account, you can see the tab right over here, but you need to click on Wallet as you can see on your screen. And then after that, scroll down. And then you can see the two options, link a bank or link a card. So for example, I will click on link a card. So right over here, I will need you to put the details right over here. For example, on the credit card number, and also the card type will be the Mastercard as you can see on your screen. You can also edit the expiration date, the security code, and the billing address. So once you've done, you can now use and get the debit or credit Mastercard. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and see you on the next video.